Why does the size of a water softener matter? Well, it's much like choosing the right pair of shoes. If it's too small, it won't be able to handle the job. If it's too large, it becomes an unnecessary expense. So let's dive into the process of finding just the right size water softener for your needs. Firstly, examine the water hardness in your home. Water hardness is measured in grains per gallon, GPG. A simple water test kit can provide this information. Remember, the higher the GPG, the harder your water, and the larger the water softener you'll need. Secondly, calculate your household's daily water consumption. An average person uses about 60 gallons of water per day. So for a family of 4, that's around 240 gallons a day. Thirdly, multiply your water hardness by your daily water usage. This will give you the number of grains of hardness that need to be removed daily. An essential figure to keep in mind, as this determines the capacity of the water softener you'll need. Lastly, consider the regeneration frequency. A water softener needs time to regenerate, to flush out the hardness minerals it has collected. Ideally, it should regenerate at least once a week. So, when choosing a water softener, make sure its capacity can handle a week's worth of your water usage. In summary, choosing the right size water softener is a 4-step process. Determine your water hardness, calculate your daily water usage, multiply these numbers to find out the hardness that needs to be removed daily, and finally, ensure the softener's capacity can handle a week's worth of your water usage. Remember, a correctly sized water softener will efficiently soften your water, prolong the lifespan of your appliances, and provide you with a cost-effective solution. So take the time to decipher the mystery of water hardness and your daily usage. Or do it the easy way and size the water softener that best fits your water hardness and needs by using the Wisdom water treatment engine that is tied to most water treatment municipalities across the United States. The Wisdom search engine was designed by SoftPro Water Systems led by Craig Phillips, an industry-leading water treatment specialist with over 37 years of experience in the water treatment industry. The Wisdom engine will calculate and give you the proper recommendations for the proper sized water softener for your application, so you are in good hands with SoftPro Water Systems. You can find the Wisdom engine and get started at softprowatersystems.com. It's an investment in the health of your home and everyone in it. Like the perfect pair of shoes, the right size water softener will offer comfort and efficiency for years to come.